Hey, what's up? This is Dave Sharp, and if you are watching any of the news, if you've paid attention to what's happening in our country right now, you know that our system is broken. We were lied to. It's not what we thought it was. We were told to be good little boys and girls and grow up and go to school and get good grades and go to college and we would get a good job and put money into our retirement accounts and we would be okay. The kind of the 40-40 plan, work 40 hours a week and you'll live happily ever after. But the majority of people right now, research shows, have $3,000 to $12,000 to their name when they retire. Most people, statistics show, most people don't even have $1,000 in their bank account. People who are going to college, they're racking up, 60, 70, 80, 100 or more $1,000 in debt, right? And then they're out. Hopefully they can get a job that they can pay the interest off on that debt. For me, I was somebody who I dropped out in high school. I'm a 9th grade dropout. I was a teenage father. I became homeless. I actually developed a drug addiction in 2008. I got clean. I was homeless. I was hopeless. I got clean. I slept on my dad's couch. I worked construction with him for a year or two until I finally realized that, I didn't want to end up digging ditches for the rest of my life. I didn't want to just trade time for money. And so I learned how to become an entrepreneur, and I discovered internet marketing. And over the course of the last 7 years or so, I've gone from completely broke to living a life of my dreams, traveling around the world. I've been to Singapore, I've been to Rome, I've been to Amsterdam, I've been from the mountains of Colorado to sipping coconuts in the Caribbean. I've been able to buy my mom a car when she needed it. I've been able to marry the woman of my dreams and buy my home cash and drive the cars that I want to drive. And it's not because I'm any smarter than you. It's not because I'm any smarter than anybody else. Actually, the majority of the times, people will say words that I don't even know, but that doesn't matter in today's economy. It doesn't. It matters that you know how to leverage the power of the World Wide Web. There are more Wi-Fi and internet millionaires right now that are popping up working in coffee shops and shorts and flip-flops and tank tops. It's a whole underground world of people who are leveraging their laptops and these things, these silly little things right here that we pay all this money to scroll Facebook. Here's my question. Would you like to use this thing to actually make money with? Or do you just want to use this thing to sit around and waste time scrolling on Facebook looking at cat pics? Now I know there's a group of people that say, no, I just want to look at cat pics, but if you're one of those people that wants to figure out how to use your laptop and your cell phone to make, hundreds or thousands or a full-time income, even tens of thousands of dollars. I've gone on to do over $100 million in sales online, again, as a 9th grade dropout. There's a link, and I want to invite you to attend a free training that I'm going to break down this entire business model that anybody can use, no matter if you have any experience or even if you're totally technically challenged like I was when I first got started, that you can use and implement to start living the life of your dreams. So if that sounds like something that's attractive to you, I want to invite you to this free training. Just click the link below and I'll see you over there.